Umuthi thirikari rungu rwa ministry ya ugima wa mwiri ni yamukirire njanjo 358,200 cia kugitira muingi murimu wa COVID-19 na iria ni muthemba wa AstraZeneca kuuma kuri thirikari ya Canada, iria ciamukirirwo ni mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya ugima wa mwiri Susan Mochache kiharo-ini kia ndege kia JKIA. Mochache augite gukinyiria riu njanjo iria bururi wa Kenya wamukirite ni makiria ma milioni 3.6 na ni merigirire kwamukira ingi milioni 4.6 kwambiriria muthenya wa rucio, guku akiuga hari njanjo iria ciirigirirwo ni hamwe na Johnson & Johnson iria thirikari ya Kenya yarihire kuri urumwe wa Africa AU na iria itanyitwo kwambiriria gukinya kuma rucio.
In the next few weeks we are expecting the consignment of Johnson & Johnson. As you recall, the government has paid 2 billion Kenya shillings.
Ningi Mochache ni arutire mukana thibitari iria ikoretwo igitheca andu njanjo itari na rutha kuma kuri ministry ya ugima wa mwiri, akiuga maya kurwo ni marua mao ma wira.
At least 7 people have been arrested. I'm aware that we are still hot on the heels of the main principal persons behind this, and one of them being a medical doctor.
Mochache ni atugiritie thirikari ya bururi wa Canada ni undu wa uteithio uyu.
The donations will certainly go a long way in helping our people in this fight against the COVID-19 pandemic that has caused untold suffering.
For Canada, we strongly believe that no one is safe in this pandemic until everyone is safe.
Nake muikariri giti wa kamiti ya mwanya ya guthecano njanjo Willis Akwale akiuria ria makoretwo makirega guthie guthecwo njanjo ya keri ya AstraZeneca makorwo magithie.
Guys have been waiting for Moderna, Johnson, and we've insisted that all these vaccines are the same. We have not reached a situation where we will have the luxury to choose which vaccine. In scarcity, you cannot do cherry picking.
Nayo ngwataniro ya makanitha hari guthingatithia mawatho ma COVID-19 kuma gicua-ini ni maikitie mateta kuri thirikari makiuga ni gubati gutwarwo njanjo mwena ucio magitigira gutamba gwa COVID-19 ni uri andu matigite gutia mawatho ma COVID-19 thoko-ini ya Kongowea.
It is one of those places whereby the spread, and we can actually, if we have an outbreak, then we will have shortages of food supplies.
Kwa mimi mwenyewe sijavaa mask. Lakini hapa tunakaa na muku bwana. Hapa hatuvagi mask.
Siwezi kusema kuna kinga ya kutosha, manake kama leo kidogo ndio tumebahatika kupata mask.
Ingĩ cia njanjo iria ciĩrĩgĩrĩirwo ni Moderna na Pfizer kuma bũrũri-inĩ wa Amerika hamwe na Sinopharm kuma China, gũkũ thirikari ĩgĩthiĩ na mbere kũrongoreria itanya rĩayo rĩa gũkorwo ĩthecetie andũ milioni 10 gũgĩkinyĩria mũthia-inĩ wa Dithemba mwaka ũyũ, naguo mũingĩ ũkĩũrio wĩtĩkĩre kwĩyumĩria nĩguo gũthecwo njanjo. Ngĩribotera Kameme TV ni njĩtagwo Wangui wa Mũirũrĩ.